was a pleasure to hear that with such a grand presence at GITB 14, 11,000 structured meetings which were pre-scheduled between buyers and sellers have happened or are going to happen. This overwhelming response will serve as a gateway to global markets, strengthening India's visibility on the international map of tourism. It will showcase India's diverse tourism segment, cultural heritage, wellness, MICE, adventure and ecotourism.
It is a platform for partnerships, innovation and new possibilities in tourism. This year's GITB is truly historic, with over 280 international tour operators from 55 countries and more than 11,000 B2B meetings. 11,000 B2B meetings itself is a huge, I would say we are creating history. It's amazing.
We are deeply grateful for their unwavering support, which has contributed immensely to the growth and success of GITB year after year. GITB has become one of the most significant annual events which is dedicated purely to positioning India as a leading global inbound tourism destination.
Together, let's make the world premier destination for MICE, heritage, sustainable tourism and dream weddings. A land where every moment becomes a memory of lifetime.
जैसे कोलाब रिवर पे जो अभी टूरिज्म ने नई साइट के रूप में उसको डेवलप कर रही है, अगर कोई एक बार जाके आएगा वो हर साल 10-15 मिनट के लिए तो जरूर वहाँ रुकेगा, क्योंकि मेंटल पीस वहीं पे मिलता है जहाँ पे नेचर होती है और नेचर के साथ वाटर भी होती है और हिल भी होती है और लोग सिंपल होते हैं।
Goa has been participating in GITB for last many years, and I have personally come here for last 2 years. So this is my third year in GITB, and it's a excellent arrangement. Everything is seamless. Vicky has done a beautiful job, and we would like to continue to keep on coming here. And our co-exhibitors, we have 24 co-exhibitors in our stock. They are also happy. They are getting good business.
GITB has been a wonderful platform for providing us a place here to showcase us before the foreign tour operators, and it has been giving us very good business in terms of marketing. It's a very good platform for participating here.
And we are very happy to participate in GITB 2025. We are very happy to promote our destinations, activities, festivals, culture, traditions, architecture, wildlife.
We've always been very excited to participate in GITB. We've had some wonderful meetings this year as well, and we are equally excited to be back here in 2026 as well. Thank you. Namaskar.
It's always been turned out very productive for our group, and we have a lot of locations which cover inbound segment.
It's lovely to be here at GITB 2025, where we are renewing friendships and forging new connections. Thank you very much.
So far good, it is very good. The experience has been incredible. The show has been great. So keep up the good work, GITB team. Thank you.
Everything has been going so well. We have had a lot of back-to-back meetings from buyers around the world. Only message I have for the organizers is that keep up the good show. We'll be back. Thank you so much.
We have seen phenomenal response to the show, and it's been an amazing 3-day affair over here. Thank you.
Whole world is here, and it's very interesting to meet
all the buyers from different parts of the world.
Day by day, GITB is growing and it's evolving with its quality FPOs and all. I hope today also we will have very, very good meetings. Thank you so much.
My experience at GITB 2025 has been fantastic.
The best thing so far is to meet so many different nice and interesting companies.
It's been an amazing experience. As you can see, so many people coming together.
It is my second time in Rajasthan and I am also impressed about the exhibition, potential partners and heritage places.